Title 16. Pledge, Mortgage and Anti-Crises. Chapter 1. Provisions common to pledge and mortgage. Article 2085. The following requisites are essential to the contracts of pledge and mortgage. 1. That they be constituted to secure fulfillment of a principal obligation. 2. That the pledger or mortgager be the absolute owner of the thing pledged or mortgaged. 3. That the persons constituting the pledge or mortgage have the free disposal of their property, and in the absence thereof, that they be legally authorized for the purpose. Third persons who are not parties to the principal obligation may secure latter by pledging or mortgaging their own property. Article 2086. The provisions of Article 2052 are applicable to a pledge or mortgage. Article 2087. It is also of the essence of these contracts that when the principal obligation becomes due, the things in which the pledge or mortgage consists may be alienated for the payment to the creditor. Article 2088. The creditor cannot appropriate the things given by way of pledge or mortgage, or dispose of them. Any stipulation to the contrary is null and void. Article 2089. A pledge or mortgage is indivisible, even though the debt may be divided among the successors in interest of the debtor or of the creditor. Therefore, the debtor's heir who has paid a part of the debt cannot ask for the proportionate extinguishment of the pledge or mortgage as long as the debt is not completely satisfied. Neither can the creditor's heir who received his share of the debt return the pledge or cancel the mortgage, to the prejudice of the other heirs who have not been paid. From these provisions is excepted the case in which, there being several things given in mortgage or pledge, each one of them guarantees only a determinate portion of the credit. The debtor, in this case, shall have a right to the extinguishment of the pledge or mortgage as the portion of the debt for which each thing is specially answerable is satisfied. Article 2090. The indivisibility of a pledge or mortgage is not affected by the fact that the debtors are not solidarily liable. Article 2091. The contract of pledge or mortgage may secure all kinds of obligations, be they pure or subject to a suspensive or resolutory condition. Article 2092. A promise to constitute a pledge or mortgage gives rise only to a personal action between the contracting parties, without prejudice to the criminal responsibility incurred by him who defrauds another, by offering in pledge or mortgage as unencumbered things which he knew were subject to some burden, or by misrepresenting himself to be the owner of the same.